could have done this with anyone else.
Well, good morning. We are setting in to get into an active pattern here over the next couple of days. That's why the National Weather Service has issued a flood watch starting today going through 1 a.m. Friday. This is for the potential for localized flooding. We are expecting the widespread heavy rainfall like we saw a couple of weeks ago, but this is going to rather be areas that see some flooding rain as well as severe weather. That'll happen later on today. The Live Radar Network quiet now. That's the good news. No issues for that morning commute. As we plan out your Wednesday, we'll start here in the 70s. We'll get back into the mid 80s by noon, likely closer to 90 this afternoon. It'll feel as warm as the upper 90s, and that's when we'll have to watch for showers and thunderstorms to develop. Those will likely be strong to severe. Yesterday, we had a storm that produced golf ball size hail on Lake Whitney. We could see larger hail today. That severe storm potential includes all of central Texas. However, it looks like the biggest chance is going to be north of Highway 79, including Waco, Temple, and Killeen. Hail up to the size of tennis balls. That's what the energy is out there for today. Winds to 65 miles per hour. Even an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out as we get into the afternoon. Now, Future Track shows you we're quiet here for the first part of the day. Here we are at 1:30. Already thunderstorms developing up towards I-20. Those likely work into our area as early as 3 o'clock for some of our northern counties. And notice these have the deeper reds. These are going to be super cell thunderstorms. So while not everyone gets under one, those that do will have that potential for gusty winds, the largest type of hail we see, as well as that tornado threat. And these are the type of storms we see here in May that cause most of our severe weather issues. Here we are at 6 o'clock, that activity already nearing Waco, Temple, Killeen. I'd say the prime time for the I-35 corridor is likely going to be between 5 and 8 p.m. And then that activity will likely work down to the south into the Brazos Valley. That's when that cap should strengthen a little bit more and try to take the punch away for some of these thunderstorms. That's why the highest chance of severe weather remains north of the Brazos Valley into central Texas. We may still see some lingering showers and thunderstorms through the overnight hours, but those should not be severe. And then tomorrow should be rather quiet, although we may see another round of thunderstorms try to develop. Right now, it looks like the dynamics for that will miss us to the north. I mentioned that flood watch is because where these supercell thunderstorms track, they could produce 2 to 3 inches of rain in a quick amount of time. That's why we're seeing some of those heavier totals on the map here, and that's why we'll see that localized flooding threat. We don't need any more rain right now because those rivers and as well as our ground is very saturated, which means flooding will start quickly. This is all becoming more active because the dry line is starting to make an appearance. There it is out to the west. You can see that boundary between the green and the brown, that moist Gulf air separated by the dry air that's off to the west. That'll trigger thunderstorms tomorrow, though again, it looks like the biggest dynamics will miss us to the north. May still trigger isolated thunderstorms here Friday on into Saturday. As long as that dry line's nearby, we keep a storm chance around, though it's hard to pinpoint which day has the biggest chance after today. And then eventually we'll get some drier air Sunday and Monday, and maybe even a cold front into Tuesday that will bring thunderstorm chances again, but then behind it, things should wind down and we'll see cooler weather work in for the second half of next week. Before that happens, though, Memorial Weekend looks hot. Mid-90s on the way. That'll feel like the triple digits. Then we'll be in the upper 80s behind that front in the Brazos Valley. More of the same. That storm threat today, lower than central Texas, but still there. We're in the upper 80s for the second half of next week.
An emergency meeting